Oh boy.
Wind is just throwing it around.
Yeah. You got it pretty stable though, considering. This is certainly better videoing light, at least, maybe weather.
Let's then get it back over here. Oh, man, it's like right over our heads more. See if we got right. Got right turn. Oh, it turns nicely right.
Yeah.
I tell you, I ordered that digital video recorder, the keychain thing.
No.
Yeah,
What?
it's like, you know the thing you lock your doors with? Goes on your keychain.
A fob?
Yeah, a key
Yeah.
fob. It's actually a digital video recorder.
Really?
It's got a little camera lens in the front, yeah.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna keep it up so if I get in trouble, I can
Yeah.
straighten it out. But yeah, it only weighs like 12 grams, so I can just throw it on top of the plane.
12 grams?
Yeah.
Jeez.
So I can get some video from up in the air.
Whoa.
Nice turn. Get in the way. I'm just gliding.
Are you serious?
Yeah, no power.
No power.
No power. Just the wind. Just some power.
A little bit, a little bit.
Bring it in.
Not bad.